Welcome to CertifyBulk, the fastest, most secure way to generate high-resolution certificates right from your browser. And the best part? Once the site loads, it can work entirely offline. Everything is handled client-side on your device. No intermediary servers. Complete privacy. Just remember, don't refresh the page while working, or your edits will be lost. First, you'll need a base image. You can download a template from the site or design your own using Canva, Figma, Photoshop, or Affinity. Just export your final blank design as a high-quality JPG or PNG. Next, let's prepare your data. Open up Google Sheets or Excel. Before we can generate anything, your data needs to be in the right format. The golden rule here: the very first row of your sheet must contain your column headers. For example, full name, prize, and class. These exact headers will be used to map your text later. Once your list is complete, simply export the file as a CSV. Head back to CertifyBulk, upload your blank template, and then upload your CSV file. Now, under the data mapper, click Add Field to drop your first text box onto the canvas. You can drag and resize this box exactly where you need it. To ensure your text looks perfect on every single certificate, turn on Horizontal Lock. This will automatically keep your names perfectly centered. As long as you have an active network connection, you can browse the entire Google Fonts library to find the perfect typography. Adjust the color, make it bold, or add italics. Once your first variable is set, just repeat the process to add your second and third variables. When everything is in place, hit the Preview button on the top menu. CertifyBulk will instantly render up to 5 certificates so you can confirm your design. If you're completely satisfied, hit Generate. The app will use your computer's local processing power to instantly render your files. Voila! A zip file will download to your device. Just extract it, and you're done.